Welcome to Da Nang, welcome to the late night of Da Nang. How dangerous is it? Are we gonna get robbed? We will find out today. We will find out. I mean, it is not really late, okay? It's not really late. It's after 10, okay? But usually after 10 I'm at home, you know? But we will find out today how it looks. How the streets look now. Are we gonna get approached by suspicious individuals? This is Game On bar here. We're gonna walk now from here, Le Condor, all the way to the bar street. Check it out there as well. It's so late, the Lou Coffee is closed. Whenever the coffee shops are closing, it's the time when I should also go home. Let's go. Our woodman is also closed. And we had here at Mia. I think the pharmacies are 24/7. So whenever you need something at night, you can always find some. But I think if those small ones are not open, you can always go to the bigger ones. I think there are some big brand pharmacies here as well. We got spas over here. Then we have some people with very loud, I mean this is not really loud, it just sounds very cheap. I feel like if your motorbike is not $20,000 or $30,000, it should shut the fuck up. Because if it's a cheap motorbike and it's loud, it's just pathetic. Actually, it should be like the only real motorbikes that are allowed to be loud is like a 1000R or something. Like a BMW or a Harley Davidson or something like that. Or like a cool bike or a Ducati or something. But those little 150 cc's where they make it louder or whatever, these pathetic motorbikes driving around here, I think you're just making a fool of yourself. But there are so many now. It will come, the thing is here in this neighborhood, I pretty much know not that many locals living here, I think. Because everything is basically hotel. So this is a hotel, this apartment building with hotel, lots of hotels here. But if those people driving around that loud in a normal residential neighborhood, I think it would be a problem too for them at some point. But we will see what will happen in the future. You always have to be careful here, crossing the streets, even though it's zebra stripes, guys. Because sometimes people drive here also drunk, especially at this time of the day. You see them sometimes driving very suspicious though. Then we have the Korean barbecue. The coffee shops there are closing right now too. So this is a Korean fried chicken now. Huh. So you can have beer, Korean fried chicken, and pizza. Pizza with pasta on top. I hope Italians will not see this. Pasta in pizza. Oh boy. If the Italians see this, you're gonna have a problem, guys. But yeah, so this is the nighttime here. It's pretty calm, to be honest. We'll also take a stroll through the bar street here. But no matter what time it is, it will always be safe, guys. I'm pretty sure about that, even though it's 3 a.m. or something. Look at this, a beautiful Mercedes here. I have not seen this, I think it's a CLC or something. I'm not sure, I have not seen this here yet. Let's see if the Aussies are here.
Dead, bro.
Hey. It's dead, okay. No one is here. No. No one is here. How you doing, man? I'm looking if my friends are there or not, but they're not. All right. Yeah. I'm wondering where Sunshine Bloke is, where David is. No idea. Check this out here. Is this the dog? No, it's not him. Oh boy, he looks suspicious though. Oh, you look so suspicious, young man. It's not the guy. There's another black dog who's like shagging the whole neighborhood, every dog everywhere, but it's not him or her or whatever. But there's one more dog around, but I have not seen him for a long time. He has so many children, it's crazy. It's a typical drinking place, it's very good. It's Taksua, I love it. 50 cents beer and very good food. So this one crazy dog who's impregnating all women around the neighborhood also did two children at this corgi place, at this coffee shop here on the right side. I think they're already closed now. So you can see if you come here, check out, there's a small corgi black dog which looks like a mixed dog. Very interesting. But I can see this one dog, maybe we will see him at night. One dog has so many children everywhere. It's crazy. And it's funny, so the dog really likes corgis. Like the big butts, the corgi butts. It's pretty quiet here, but we will go straight from here all the way to Blends, and then we're gonna also see what's going on in the bar street. It's a Thursday today, so Thursday, it's 10:30 or something like that. The gym, the Mian Sports Center, is already closed. Not much going on, to be honest. I thought it's way more busy, but we will see what's going on in this street right now. At the beach today, I felt like it's gonna be so many people out all night, but it's not. I think it's not really a nightlife crowd here, or it's because it's Thursday. But I can already hear loud music from here. I'm wondering what people in this new condo buildings think about the music. Oh, but you know what? Blends actually closes the doors at a specific time of the day. I think they're closing the doors after 11 or so. That's pretty busy. No, it's not. It's still pretty empty though. But Heaven Bar is closed. But here, pretty low. I think the taco stand is also not open today. Maybe they're only open on the weekend. But you know what? There we go. There we go. This is packed. Okay. That's interesting. Why is it open now? It's so full there. Maybe there's a meetup or something. And police is here as well. Interesting. Okay. I mean, that's, I don't know if it's a good sign or not. Police is here. Then we have the Funky Donkey is open again. That's very good to see. Then the German deli looks like the nightclub is open again upstairs. It's called Gatto Sano. Huh. Interesting. So it was a packed venue, and after that, right there, like 6 policemen. I usually don't see police here in the street. No idea what's going on here. But we got it all on camera, yes, what's going on here. But yeah, it looks pretty calm here. And busier than I thought. So the Blends is not the busiest place at the moment. It's very interesting, guys.
I didn't go this way last night.
And the corner pub is open again. And today it's not that busy here. That's very interesting. So it's like every time. Oh, you know what I think? The open mic night was at the 50 decibel. That's why. Check this out. You can buy some grilled meat here. Hello.
You want to try?
No, no, thank you. But check this out. There's also here something going on here. Maybe we should check it out the next time. It feels like it's totally empty still. And look at this. They have even barbecue here too. What is it about that they have barbecues here? Blue ski barbecue, beef skewer. That's very interesting. That's actually what I always thought that would be very good to have. Imagine they close down the street and have a walking street, and then you have all the stands in between. That would be the best, I think. I think that would be very good for business. Let's check out what's going on in the scallywags here. Not that much. The sports bar. Doors is obviously closed. But it's interesting, and I thought always it's starting a little bit later with the nightlife, but looks pretty okay-ish. But as you can see, it's not like every single place is packed. It's more like few places are full, and then the other ones like meh. It's a coffee shop here. They're already closed now. There's also a brand new bar here on the left. I'm wondering if they're open already. I think the next time I have to do a really late night one. But then I have to go and drink. Else it does not make sense. Oh, but they're open already. And they have shisha here, hookahs. Oh, it's brand new. Last call. Okay. I thought it's illegal to have shisha here. But it smells good. It smells better than cigarettes. Wondering what they're gonna put in there. Will it be a big building or not? We will see. So this is also a bar here. They have daily live music here. Different themes every night. Let's see how it goes there. How busy it is. So daily from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. is live music. They're already closed here, but it's very kind of loud, to be honest. It's kind of loud, but it's good. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I think they close and they have then the bar here. But yeah, like I said, it's every day a different live music. But for me, it's a little bit too loud. But the bar inside looks very nice. There we go. Traditional music, traditional music. Oh, this is from this restaurant. So we have the restaurant, they have live music, traditional music usually, and then you have the bar as well. I like this, it looks cool. Lots of massage places here now in the street as well. This was an overpriced convenience store. They went out of business. They had so bad rates. I think everyone just went there in once and bought something, and I'm like, double the price of everything. It's kind of pathetic. could get it anywhere here for a normal price. Yeah. But they went out of business. As you can see here, now the coffee shops are closed. Umbarmi is closed. Goza and Z Coffees are also closed. Kind of crazy to see this. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and let me know if you want to have more of those nightlife things, and see you in the next vlog.